Hey, what is up, guys? It's Curry Gaming, and today I'm back with another monster truck unboxing. I found two new trucks today at one of my local Walmarts, and they're from the Hot Wheels Monster Truck series, and they are both from well, one of them's a repeat, but it was re-released in the last case of Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, which is Case M, I believe. Yeah, Case M. And the trucks that I got today were Wreak Toxic, which was the last 6 stuff truck I needed, yeah, so I got that. And then they only had one of the brand new trucks from Case M, and it was and it's Motosaurus with the brand new paint job. So the only trucks I need from this case are Demo Derby and SpongeBob. As you can see right there, there's Demo Derby and SpongeBob. They did not have them, so hopefully I'll find them at some point. They did have Psychedelic, but I did not get that truck because I already have it. And I just don't see the need to get a second Psychedelic. But I mean, if some of you guys don't have that truck and you need to get it, then go ahead. And then they did not have V8 Bomber either, but I already have that, so I don't need it. And of course I have Bigfoot, even though they didn't have that. So really all I need is Demo Derby and SpongeBob. But enough about that. Let's get into the unboxing. We're gonna start with the Wreak Toxic because it's a re-release and I did not pick it up. What I'm trying to say is I couldn't pick it. I didn't pick it up from the case it originally came out in because I couldn't find it. So I'm glad they re-released it, and yeah. So it's not that I didn't pass on it. I didn't pass on it or anything. It's just when it first came out, I couldn't find it. So I'm glad they reissued it in the last case. So let's unbox this bad boy. These trucks have a really good smell. Here's the accessory. Wow, that thing looks beautiful. I love the rusty green on it. That's really awesome. The rusty green and yellow. Oh, that's cool. The transparent teeth. That's awesome. It's been a long time since we've seen Wreak, but it's nice to see it again. Now, I don't really know if Hot Wheels will continue to make monster trucks next year in 2020. I heard a rumor that the Hot Wheels monster trucks lineup might be discontinued because of how popular Spin Master is with their Monster Jam trucks. And this year I've been collecting both brands because they both make pretty cool trucks. But I'm just trying to wrap up this series, and whether they discontinue Hot Wheels monster trucks or not next year, I'm not going to be collecting them again next year. I'm just going to collect Spin Master next year. So this will be my last year collecting these. Yeah, so this is really cool. Let's take a closer look at this, shall we? So it's got the yellow tires and the black rims. Actually not black. Are these black? No, these are the charcoal gray like Local Pump. It's got the same roll cage as all these 6 stuff trucks do. Got a metallic toxic paint job. Pretty cool. Got the caution tape on the fins. A biohazard symbol. Hot Wheels monster trucks on there. Another biohazard symbol. Looks really cool. And Since this truck is called Wreak, I'm gonna educate you on how to pronounce the name. Many people call this truck Wreck, but it's actually spelled Wreak, Cwreak, which spells Wreak. So for those of you who don't know, Wreak, Wreak, as in spelled on this font right here, that is another word for havoc. So it would mean like to wreak havoc. So besides Wreak, you could basically also say it could be called Shark Havoc. But it's originally called Wreak, so it's called Wreak. But the other word for Wreak is havoc, so it's basically like you're calling it Shark Havoc. So yeah, just a little fun fact for you, because I know many people, because I know a lot of monster truck collectors out there. Always some mispronounce this name and call it Wreck, but now you know it's now you know it's called Wreak because with it being spelled like this, it's basically meaning the other word, which is havoc. So yeah, so that's Wreak. And now moving on to the brand new paint scheme for Motosaurus. Oh, that's a nice one. Here's the car. I gotta say, I kind of like this Motosaurus a little bit better than the first Motosaurus that came out for Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, because I kind of like this metallic orange that it has going on here, and I like the hot rod flames. So I feel like this is supposed to be like the hot rod Motosaurus, I guess you could say, because it's got the orange flames and all that going on. Yeah, I think this is supposed to be like a hot rod going on here. So it's got a forest green chassis, orange rims, a green hard plastic head, green rubber spikes. You can move them around, but just don't mess with them too much, because I think they can break if you're not careful. Got that nice metallic orange going on, the flames, and the Monster Trucks logo. The Hot Wheels logo is not even put on here. Oh, actually it is. It's just hiding over there. Yeah, so this is actually really, really cool. I like this. Yeah, so pretty cool to have. And yeah. Alright guys, so those were the new trucks that I got today from the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks lineup, and like I said, after I finish getting all the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks that have come out this year, I'm not going to collect these next year in 2020. I'll just go back to only collecting Spin Master. So yeah, so besides Demo Derby and SpongeBob from this case, I also am missing the Demo Derby Invader. I need to get that, and then I need to get the last 3 WWE trucks, and then the last trucks, and then I need to get the special store exclusive trucks, or just special edition trucks that are coming out. I will, but they're going to be in the package So the trucks I'm going to keep in the package, they're going to be in the background right here. Once I get them, I will be I'm going to be looking for Red Hulk, Iron Spider, Chewbacca, and Darth Vader, and the rare Target exclusive 40 Bigfoot, which is number 42. So they will all be displayed back here once I find them, and yeah. So that's pretty much all I have to say to wrap up this video, and yeah. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.